Care protects flavor from the very first touch.
From field to factory, the process begins.
The product prepares for its final journey. The mango is ready for its next form.
Safety is built into heat.
Every unit matches the next.
Every journey begins at the source, where nature sets the pace.
Precision starts with preparation. Only perfectly ripened mangoes move forward.
Care protects flavor from the very first touch.
Quality is verified before the journey continues. Harvest transforms into organized supply.
Efficiency carries freshness forward. The orchard releases its harvest. From field to factory, the process begins.
Freshness is protected through every mile.
Stability preserves quality in motion. Every arrival is logged and verified. The facility awakens to new input. Positioning prepares the next step.
The factory receives its harvest.
Alignment sets the stage for precision.
Technology respects the fruit.
Waste separates from value. Nothing leaves the system unused.
Human skill completes the machine's work.
Orientation enables accuracy.
The core is released.
Structure gives way to purity. Consistency is constantly measured.
The mango is ready for its next form.
Form begins to change under controlled force. Flow is measured and maintained. Stability preserves flavor.
Transformation now enters its most advanced stage.
Automation transforms scale into consistency.
Every variable is under constant watch.
Safety is built into heat. Balance protects nutrients. Control continues after heat.
Intelligence prevents interruption. Technology hands off to precision.
Precision defines the final form.
The vessel must be as pure as its contents. Alignment ensures accuracy. Every unit matches the next. Protection is locked in. Every seal is verified. Identity is applied. Safety is continuously monitored. Production flows without compromise. Only verified quality moves forward. The product prepares for its final journey. Protection takes shape. Consistency extends beyond the product. Each case is secured.
Traceability follows every unit. Volume is organized into order.
Stability ensures safe travel.
Freshness waits under careful control.
The supply chain moves again.
And this is how modern factories produce ripe mango products from start to finish.